Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $75.35 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, there are two patterns that you have to understand looking at this particular chart, that it has already made a low of around $72.28. Okay, and which level we have seen in Feb of 24. Okay, and there is a U pattern is forming. If we go beyond that particular zone, there is a bigger U pattern forming. Okay, showing that if the trend started sustaining above a level of 79.54, a probability is higher that it will go further upside. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, then chances are high that if the price started falling below a level of $74, we can see there is a probability it can go further low. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, looking at this particular chart, chances are very high. See, this is a U pattern forming here, this is also a U pattern forming here, but the bigger U pattern, if you look at this is the bigger U pattern. The similar patterns are forming, and this is the range where the price is moving for so long. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, okay, probability is high, it has already made a swing, and chances are high if the price keep moving over this level, we can see it can sustain above a level of $77 and a further upside movement we can see. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, I'll show you a dollar index also, where you will see that clearly how the price of crude is moving. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now looking at this particular chart, we can see if the price keep moving over this level, a probability of touching 75.67 we can see, and once that sustain, further upside we can see towards a level of $76.5. Suppose if the price keep moving above this particular level, then a further upside movement we can see, and once started sustaining above this level, a probability of going towards 77.21 will be there, and from there a further upside towards a level of 79.43. This 79.43 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross a level of 79.83, which is also being tested. Okay, and then a further upside towards a level of 80.89. Okay, and if these levels are already being tested and that they are already weak, so chances are high it will touch a level of 83.21, and then from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $85.5, and then to a level of 87.24. These are the resistance you have to understand. These are playing important role, that once the price sustain at these levels, a bounce back come or moves upside. So if it started going upside, what we can see there is a U pattern is forming, but if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, it bounce back, because see, profit booking come at these levels, so you have to understand looking at this particular chart. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $74.46. Okay, if the price started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 72.41 is there. Suppose if the price started falling below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of $72 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, which we have seen after a long time, so chances of going towards 70.23 will be there. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular zone, we can see it will touch a level of 68. Okay, $68, and once the price started falling below $68, we can see it will touch a level of $64.46. Okay, and $64.46 already being weak, so chances are high we can see a further downfall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.